Hello. As you may well know, Pride of Longridge has been cancelled due to weather. Now it might not look like the weather's a problem at the moment, but the amount of water stored on the slopes of Cofton Park will ensure that even a week from now it will be nothing more than a quagmire. There is a gathering being organised at the Great British Motoring Organisation, or what? The Great British Motor... the Great something anyway. I did say I could go, but I don't think I can. And there will not be enough room there for all of the people that would have attended Pride of Longridge. So I've got an idea for anyone in this area that would have wanted to go. I'm going to arrange a meetup on the M62 Birch Services eastbound. We'll call it PON, Pride of Nigel, if you like, or the alternative to Pride of Longridge, where we can't really stay all day, 2 hours maximum. Due to a couple of circumstances, I won't be available all day on that Saturday anyway. We have 2 hours, 10 o'clock until 11:30, I reckon, at the services, and then a convoy over the moors, like I did on the last one. Hopefully the weather will be a lot nicer. Who's up for it? I'm going to set it up right now. PON, the alternative to POL, for people in the north. Thank you.